Construction. We're here at the Phillips residence. We're going to be laying approximately 700 square feet of pre-finished hardwood flooring. They've selected a Bellawood product. It's a product of Peru. One thing that's real important when you're installing hardwood floors is that you let the floors acclimate to the room temperature. If you do not do that, what can happen is the floors will begin to shrink or expand, and in that process, after you've laid all the floors, you can get gaps in them, or you can actually cause it to buckle in the floor, which is something you definitely don't want once you're spending the kind of money that you're doing to put in these floors. So usually it's about a week. This is a exotic wood, and with exotic woods, you need a little bit more time. In this case, we actually have let these floors acclimate for 2 weeks, so that's real important. And then we're going to go ahead and start this process. We're going to cut away the floor. They have carpet down right now. We're going to cut the carpet out, roll it back, clean up the floor underneath, put down some paper. You can use felt paper, or you can also use, we have a product here, SVS Silicone Vapor Shield. It does the same thing as the felt paper. It's a protectant. It makes sure that any moisture coming up from the subfloors is not going to touch the bottom of your hardwood floors. So we're going to get in here, we're going to cut these floors out. What we're going to do now is we've gotten the paper down, and we're now ready to install the floors. So what we want to do, find a direction that we're going to install the floors. The homeowner wants them installed this way. So what we'll do is we're going to check for parallel. It needs to make sure that your measurement from this wall to this wall is going to be the same measurement. If they're not, that means that a good chance you're out of square there. And if you're out of square, you have to adjust the wood to make sure you don't end up with a really narrow piece at one end and a very wide piece at the other end. What we're going to do now is we're going to run our measurements. We're going to take measurements of each side and figure out where we're at, adjust that, pop a string line, and leave our mark for our first board. All right, come on in. We've completed the tile in the foyer, in the bathroom, done the closet, so you can get a feel for the way this turned out. They're very pleased, and when they're pleased, we're pleased. And we've also been able to install it in their master bedroom. It gives you an idea of what the floors look like. They're very pleased, and this is a great product, a great job, and that's kind of how you do it.